on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for truck strobe light kits. Here again with another new Super Duty build. This one's even got some auxiliary lighting in the grill. Make sure you check out the description of this video for links to all these products and more at our Wicked Warnings store. There's also a link to buy this entire package as a kit. Okay, what we're looking at here on the front of this truck, on the top of the grill, is our LIN-6 in an amber white configuration. That's a pair of those synchronized together. Underneath them in the fog light bezel, we have our TIR-3 in white. In the grill, we have our grill LED kit. Again, all of this will be linked right into the website so you can purchase directly in the description below. We're also featuring the Wicked Warnings mirror mod kit on the white LED spotlights of the mirrors, as well as our universal park flash kit on the OEM roof lights. When you turn the strobe lights off, you can see that the roof lights will go back to normal and work as they did before the strobe. And when you turn the switch back on, you can see now we have an alternation between lights number 2 and 4 and 1, 3, and 5 on the roof. This truck also features our TIR-3 in white on the back tail light side bezel, as well as our LED HAW Duo in the cargo and the reverse. Out back here you can see our LED HAW Duo in the HD version in amber, as well as the HD version in white in the third brake light. We have amber in the reverse and white in the third brake light. They are set to alternate with each other. The third brake light is also synchronized to fire with the white TIR-3s on the tail lights, as well as all of the white on the front of the truck. If you can see by the reflection on the wall, we have synchronized the entire truck to flash amber, white as a whole. That way you can get a better, bigger punch, and honestly just because it's pretty cool and I wanted to do that. So we have the whole truck alternating back and forth, amber and white. This truck also got some additional lighting that it was special order through Wicked Warnings underneath the rear bumper. And those were tied into the factory reverse circuit. We also did some lighting in the toolbox as well as the bed. This vehicle was not equipped with the Ford bed light system, but we happen to have some lights here that will be on the website soon, and they're just a general floodlight flush mount, and we were able to put them in the factory location, and we also wired them into a switch with some customer supplied lights that were already in his toolbox here. So he had the lights and the switch here from his toolbox from another truck, and we piggybacked off that, ran new power, and we're able to save those lights and that switch in the toolbox, and also add in a pair of lights here in the bed. You can see we've got one on each side. And let me just show you the brightness of these lights here real quick with the shop lights off. All right, so there we have it. With the shop lights off, you can see the bed is fully illuminated, and that's what the strobe looks like with the shop lights. But more importantly, the white light's definitely sufficient to light the entire bed area at night, and he should have no more problems finding that missing tool. This particular system is all set up to run off the factory auxiliary switches. Different switches run the various functions of the system as per the customer's request. Once again, thanks for watching Wicked Warnings. Give us a call and make sure you check out the vehicle description for all of the links to all of these particular products.